up, gentlemen? So you've all heard the saying that nice guys finish last. Well, the reason is because nice guys play it safe. They follow the rules. Bad boys, on the other hand, the reason why everybody wants them, everybody loves them, and why they kick and dominate so much ass, it's not even funny, is because they are willing to break the rules. I mean, think about it. Think about every single badass dude throughout history. They were all bad boys in their respective areas, right? Whether or not they were dominating like wars, whether or not they were dominating industries, or whether or not they were dominating spicy senoritas. Every badass dude throughout history was a bad boy willing to break the rules. Today, guys, I'm going over 7 rules that bad boys break that you should break too. Breaking the rules, I don't think I can. It makes me nervous. Go. I'll see you tomorrow. But if you aren't afraid to break rules in order to be amazing and kick ass and dominate life, gentlemen, why don't you drop me one of these? Rule number 1, don't be selfish. Bad boys be like, wrong, I'm gonna be selfish. And that is the first thing that you need to start doing, is being more selfish with your time, with your energy, with your focus. Now, unfortunately, the term selfish has kind of like a negative connotation, right? But the truth is, if you're not selfish with your body, with your time, with your workout, with your energy, where you place your emotional and mental bandwidth, gentlemen, the world is going to occupy and destroy you. And the reason is pretty simple, because everybody else is wanting something from you. You've got to be willing to say no. You've got to be willing to say, I'm going to be selfish. If I don't want to do it, I'm not doing it. And you if it's not okay. Rule number 2, excuse me, may I please? No, bad boys don't ask for permission, they ask for forgiveness. And this is something that I have come to realize is honestly one of the best ways to go about life, all right? If you are always worried about getting permission to do everything and anything, you are never going to accomplish anything, if I'm being honest. Instead, what I'd recommend and what bad boys do, they do it because they think it's the right thing. Now, if it ends up not being okay or they make a mistake, then they ask for forgiveness. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, I didn't know it wasn't okay. The third rule that bad boys aren't afraid to break, you should really dress like a respectable young man. Respectable equals boring, basic ass style. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Bad boys, one of the things that sets them apart from everybody else is that their style is on point. They aren't afraid to step outside of the box and take calculated risks. And bad boys know that it is critical to not only dress like a sex machine, it's also critical that you accessorize like a boss. Gentlemen, if you are looking to take your accessory game to the next level, you gotta hit that link down below and check out today's video sponsor, GlassesUSA.com. Glasses make you sexy, gentlemen. That is an undisputable scientific fact. Research has shown that women view a man who wears glasses as a little bit more interesting, a little more intelligent. Not to mention, glasses make you literally look sexier. The other really cool thing about glasses is that they help balance an asymmetrical face. GlassesUSA.com is the best bang for your glasses buck, and the reason is because they've cut out the middleman, which means they can offer you prescription glasses and frames for up to 70% off of retail price. These glasses, guys, are so sick. I'm going to link to all of the frames down below along with a special discount link. Guys, now you can afford to shop online for incredible prescription and non-prescription glasses, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. And guys, check this out. A complete pair of glasses at GlassesUSA.com starts at $30, and every pair comes with a free basic prescription. These I absolutely love. Another pair that I recently got, guys, they're a little bit bigger, a little bit more like hefty of a frame, but they're that like dark tortoise, which is so sick. Anyway, guys, GlassesUSA.com has over 6,000 different frames. Now, of course, they've got your designer brands like Ray-Ban, Armani, but they've got some house brands like Atoto and Muse that are my personal favorites. They're also crazy affordable. And guys, one of the reasons why I love GlassesUSA.com so much, not only are the quality and the craftsmanship and the price amazing, but their customer service is also next level. It's like risk-free shopping, right? You literally have free shipping, free returns, you've got 100% money-back guarantee within 14 days. They also offer a 365-day product warranty. Guys, if you haven't checked out the GlassesUSA.com virtual mirror, it is a ton of fun. I'm going to link to it down below. Way that it works, all you do is you find a pair of glasses that you dig, and then you upload a picture of yourself, and you literally can like adjust the picture and try on each and every pair of frames. They have sunglasses, they've got regular glasses, they've got blue light blocking glasses, they've got everything. Guys, below this video, I'm going to link to GlassesUSA.com excludedusa.com. The link is special. It's going to give you a crazy deal. Also, I'm going to list all of the frames that I wore in the video. So if you dig them, you want to try them on with that virtual mirror, you can do it. But bottom line, guys, if you are shopping for glasses or sunglasses anywhere other than glassesusa.com, you are getting ripped off because glassesusa.com is literally the best. Rule number 4, I am a bad boy. No, you're not, and it's fine. Gentlemen, bad boys don't try to be something they're not. There's nothing wrong with being who you are, and the minute you try to act or put on a show for somebody just to make them like you or respect you or want to date you is the minute that people automatically turn off. And the reason is because people can smell inauthenticity. Guys, it's about being real, being true to who you are, and being authentic. The reason why bad boys are so appealing, so alluring, is because they don't try to bullshit and act like they're something that they're not. Rule number 5. I like big butts and kittens. I'm sorry. Never apologize for liking something that you like. There's nothing wrong with being a little weird. There's nothing wrong with being a little freaky. If you want to do something, if you want to be something, if you are just into big butts and kittens, it doesn't matter. Never apologize for what you like. And the reason is pretty simple. It's nobody else's damn business. If you like something, gentlemen, like it. Own it. Don't worry about what other people think. Don't worry about changing your opinion based on somebody else's arbitrary set of ideals or what they want out of their life. Guys, it's about you. Be true to you. And if you dig big butts and kittens, gentlemen, so do I. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. What? Number 6, not living your life for somebody else. Let me explain. From a young age, things are expected of us, right? We're taught to do certain things. We're taught to live a certain way and like certain things. But as we age, as we mature, as we become our own person, it's critical that you embrace what you want. You need to live for you. Do what's going to make you feel good, what's going to fulfill you. Guys, you've got one shot at this life, and you've got to make the choice. You've got to make the decision. Who are you living it for? Your mom, your dad, your weird Uncle Barry, Brenda, Brian? You are amazing, and you need to start embracing your dreams, your reality, and what you want out of life. And you got to stop playing it safe, which brings me to the 7th thing that bad boys do in terms of breaking the rules, and that is taking risks. If you live your life playing it safe, doing the things that are expected, that are easy, that aren't going to challenge or rock the boat too much, you are never going to achieve the greatness that you have in store for you. And the reason is pretty simple, because unless you are willing to be uncomfortable, unless you are willing to try things that aren't necessarily the standard direction or normal way, you are never ultimately going to reach that pinnacle of success. Nothing great was ever accomplished because it was easy. If you want to live an incredible, fulfilling life, guys, you've got to be willing to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You got to start doing things that are hard, that are challenging. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. Guys, you are amazing. Remember that. But the truth is, you need to start breaking some damn rules if you ever want to achieve personal amazingness.